genome project, it was called mega project. The estimated human genome base for 3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pair. This one estimation only after the project done, then only tell about extract gene and base pair. Estimation cost per single base pair $3. Total estimation $9 million. Why this cost means that time no software development for storing, treating and analyzing information. That time only new branch developed bioinformatics. Then to deal ethic, legal and social issue, they arranged a special committee. Then this project was estimated to complete 13 years. It was started in 1990. According to this project completed 2003. But only one chromosome will take more time. That one's chromosome number 1. So they completed this project to 2006. Two organizations started this project, US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health. Then methodology, DNA having two parts, coding and non-coding part. So they approach us in two ways. First one is they will select only coding part. That idea name is called as expressed sequence tag. Second one is they will take one entire DNA, both coding and non-coding part. That idea name is called a sequence annotation. Then finally they referred this sequence method only. Then two things are needed for human genome project. First one is host, they required bacteria or yeast. Second one is vector, BAC, that means bacterial artificial chromosome, or YAC, yeast artificial chromosome. Finally they selected YAC. Then methodology, DNA, by using endonuclease they cut into the small fragment. After that introduced with the help of vector host cell. It may be bacteria or yeast. Now this host cell was replicated. Then the fragment was sequenced using Sankar method. This DNA opting for gene sequencing. Then silent future of human genome project. That means what was found out after this project. Human genome containing 3164.7 billion or 3.1 billion nucleotide sequence. But this was different from estimated. Average gene consists of 3000 base. Largest human genome dystrophin has 2.4 million base. Total number of gene 30,000 only found, but they expected more, double. Function of 50% gene is still unknown. Maybe the coding part only reported, non-coding part not reported. Repeated sequence make up a large portions. That one unique identification of individual used in DNA fingerprinting. Then less than 2% of genome code for protein. It may be different type of genome in different individual. We already known that chromosome only having take more time because it having maximum number of gene 2968 gene, but Y having 231 minimum number of gene only. Then 1.4 billion location has single nucleotide polymorphism. Polymorphism means multiple form. That means this one sequence means it will only one sequence different from other individual. Like that only 1.4 billion location that SNP presented. Then application of human genome project. They used for various purpose. Most important to diagnosis a disease and treatment. Used to diagnose how to that gene will change and how to treat. Because many disorders related to gene only. Example carcinogenic and metabolic disorders. Second one is treated gene using rDNA technology. Example complete sequence of insulin. Human Genome Project only gave idea to recombinant DNA technology. This one not only used for human genome, also used for other purpose. Other sequence also. Example, bacteria, trophophia, yeast, rice. These kind of things used for agriculture and human welfare. These microorganism also used for energy production also.